Early primates. Early primates first appeared around 55 million years ago during the Eocene epoch. At this time, the continents were closer together than they are today. Primates likely originated in tropical regions, possibly in what is now Asia or Africa. Fossil evidence shows that by the Eocene, primates were widespread across North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa, thanks to land connections like the North Atlantic Land Bridge and a relatively warm global climate. These land connections and warm forests allowed primates to disperse widely. Early apes hominoids appeared during the Miocene epoch around 23 to 5 million years ago. By this time, the continents had moved closer to their current positions. Africa remained the primary area for ape evolution, especially East Africa. Apes also spread into Europe and Asia, likely via land bridges in the Middle East and Southern Europe. The movement of the African and Eurasian plates created new migration opportunities. Climate changes during the Miocene led to a reduction of forests and increased open habitats, influencing ape evolution and distribution. 2. Paleoanthropology is the scientific study of human evolution through the analysis of fossils, ancient environments, and cultural remains. It combines aspects of anthropology, archaeology, and evolutionary biology. The two major goals of paleoanthropology are to understand the biological and behavioral evolution of hominins, the human lineage after the split from our common ancestor with chimpanzees, to reconstruct the evolutionary relationships among early human species and their environments. Reconstructing fossils, bones, teeth, etc., provides physical evidence of anatomical changes over time, helping us trace evolutionary adaptations like bipedalism or brain expansion. Analyzing ancient environments shows the conditions in which hominins lived, helping us understand the selective pressures they faced. Studying behavior through tools, shelter, or food remains gives insight into cognitive and social evolution. Together, these reconstructions help scientists piece together how and why humans evolved the way they did. 3. Compare and contrast two scenarios for the origins of bipedalism: the male provisioning scenario and the nurturant female scenario. The male provisioning scenario. Assumptions. This model assumes that early hominins formed monogamous pair bonds and that males helped raise offspring by bringing food to females and children. Adaptive value. Bipedalism freed the hands, allowing males to carry food over long distances to their mates and offspring, improving survival and reproductive success. Key idea. Bipedalism evolved as a result of male investment in offspring and family provisioning. The nurturant female scenario. Assumptions. This model assumes that females were central to group care, spending more time nurturing infants and collecting food. Adaptive value. Bipedalism allowed females to carry babies and food more efficiently, increasing the chances of offspring survival and enabling longer developmental periods. Key idea. Bipedalism evolved to support infant care and maternal provisioning. Similarities. Both scenarios suggest bipedalism evolved due to reproductive and social advantages, not just locomotion. Both rely on the idea that carrying food, infants, tools was important to early hominin survival. Differences. The male provisioning scenario emphasizes male behavior and pair bonding. The nurturant female scenario emphasizes female roles and maternal care. Each model is based on different assumptions about social structure and division of labor in early hominin groups.